6 month 1979, and look at this thing. A little bit of wee came out when this one rolled in, and I was super happy to see it as well, because we met Matt a while ago when he started this build, and would you believe he only started this build this year, and we're talking full tear down, and he's finished it and it's on the road, and it is beautiful. So happy to see builds that we've been a part of get in here for their show and tell. And this one comes from Armidale, New South Wales. One owner before Matt. It had the gentleman passed in 2000, and it just got parked up and sat there until this year. And this year he got it going in the shed where it was parked up, fired straight over. So he purchased it, brought it home, and under the bonnet is a HJ, so it's got the H motor. Now that motor has been torn down, a new gasket kit has been put through it, hence the blue paint and everything. So it's stripped down, painted, and it's there's nothing wrong with it. She's a sweet little donk, so it's slapped back together again, and it's so clean under there. One thing I love too is that factory airbox. It's we get asked for them, they're just getting rarer and rarer. That is in such nice pristine condition. The whole thing's in pristine condition. And up the front we've got the original genuine bumper bar and genuine number plate holder. Just keep it that nice factory look. And behind me is the tray. Did not come with this vehicle. This tray was found on a marketplace. He found it on marketplace, a Gumtree. I think he said 350 bucks, and boom, it's come off another 45, and it's perfect for the job. So he's done the full tear down and color coded the lot, and she's come up a treat. It would have been easy to bolt on coming off a 45. While he was on marketplace, the same gentleman found him the front bar. So it was one-stop shop there. And we've had a bit to do with a lot of weather strips and badges and just all your little fiddlies. We've had a relationship. So again, it's so sweet to see this one on the road. I'm looking at the tyres. The tyres are the Falcons or Falcons. And the splitties. The splitties are the original ones. They've been there since day dot, came with the car. They've had their little resto as well, and they're straight back on there. It gives it that look. We'll go inside and take a closer look. Check out in here. I've got to say one thing, I'm a big fan of the factory seats. I'm a bit on the chunk, I'm a tall fella, so I've had 60 series, I've jumped in XR, all the Falcon seats, I've turbo seats of my own, and I've gone back to this setup because for the taller guy, there is so much more room on thin seats and back against the wall like this. So I'm just comfy in this old girl. These seats have been reupholstered. They're all new. Matt's done custom door cards for this one. Remember, the body's been off, so he's resprayed the whole thing, but he's kept it factory. One cool thing here, this isn't a reprinted, this is a genuine Toyota radio cover. For in the day, if you didn't want a radio as an option, you didn't want to spend the extra because it's a farm tilly, you got one of these blanks, and they're just as collectible as the radio themselves. Otherwise, there's not much I can say in here, but it's all period correct. He's got some, this is the type of things we sell, the gear stick knobs and just your little trims in here. Today he's come in for some decals. He's decided to put a new pump on his washer bottle, just little things that we've helped be part of the way. I have noticed while I'm in here, another roof, when I see this, it usually speaks of FRP. What I mean by this is the FRP products, they have there's a few types of fiberglass panels out there. FRP, they just seem to put a little bit more into their product. They seem to have better quality when it comes to fiberglass. We all want steel, but there's not much steel left out there anymore, so that's a really lovely roof. And I don't know if they're new. Yeah, they are new. They're brand, I can tell. They are brand spanking new because they're a little bit different from in the day. They're probably superseded visors, so they've come up a treat. Everything brand new, a rear vision mirror. He's just decked it out with where you can get new stuff. Matt's done it. What I didn't say, I do this a lot, I didn't mention the Noble flooring. This one, I talk about Noble when I'm giving us a plug because we sell the stuff, but it also comes in carpet and different colors. This is the carpet. It's a bit of a deadener too, and if you don't think you're going to go through salty creeks and have it wet all the time, this is more of a classic build. Carpet is absolutely perfect. So there's also deadener under there as well. That's about it. Some of these are original classic builds. They're less modified, there's less to show and tell, but it is such a pleasure to have these classic builds in here to show off. This one is a 6-month 79 HJ with a H motor 45.